Hello boys and girls. So last class में we were discussing chapter number 4 and we had a brief intro of what are those corporate level strategies. So as I said earlier, we have to discuss all the strategies which are proposed by Gluick and Jog. And Mr. Gluick and Jog have proposed this strategy based on stage of business in business. So we have seen there are four strategies which are proposed. So let's apply by common sense how this should go for. Say for example, so this is the chart which we have already drawn in the previous class. If we are putting one business life cycle and we know this is like S shaped inverted S shape curve, it's what the shape is. We have four stages. One is introduction stage, one is growth, next is maturity, and then we have something called common sense you should apply, sir. If at all business is at maturity stage, business is at maturity stage, sir. So what should be the strategy? The strategy should be what? Company should maintain that position. Company should ensure that they are maintaining that position, not falling down, sir. Otherwise what will happen, sir? If at all they are not able to maintain that position, chances are bright they may go to next stage, which is decline. Simple hai. If you are a student in a class, there are 100 students and you have secured rank 1, what should be your next logic, sir? You have to ensure that next exam also you secure your rank, sir. So can I say company here is being stable? So mostly companies which are at maturity position, sir, will be going for something called stability strategy. I have used the word mostly. Mostly company which are at maturity. In other words, even if you are not at maturity, company may go for stability strategy. But mostly whenever company is at commandable position, company is at mature position, they go for what's a stability strategy. Agreed or not, sir? Yes. If a company is at what is the expansion stage or growth stage, then company go for something called growth strategy. If company is at a decline stage, then company looks for retrenchment strategy. Agreed or not? So can I say here these are the strategies which are based on what's a different what you say stage of what you say business in business life. Agreed? Now my question to you people. Imagine company is doing business in one particular state. Company is also doing business in another particular state. In state number one, company is at mature position. So can I say company there would go for something called stability strategy. In state number two, company is at a decline stage. Can I say company may look for something called retrenchment strategy. So can I say individual company at a particular time in one particular state is going for stability strategy, another particular stage is going for something called retrenchment. So do you think company is going for one particular strategy or more than one? More than one. That is what I mean by combination strategy. That is what I mean by combination strategy. You may also understand this in different perspectives. Say for example, company is dealing in two products. Now product number one, product number two. Sir, say for example, Sony, we will take about. Let's take practical example. Now Sony manufactures many electronic items, sir, like you have television also, cameras also, laptop also, mobile phone also, etc. Agreed? Now, known fact is Sony is very good when it comes to television part. In other areas also they are very good, but television part may they are very good. But laptop division of Sony did not do that great, sir. So can I say what did Sony do, sir? Now they have put more of their money in what television products and less of their money. In fact, they have closed down their laptop Vaio. Remember, this is how it used to look like. The diagram Vaio, the way they used to write Vaio was in this manner. So this Vaio laptop division they have closed and they are continuing with what's our camera wala division. So can I say one stage may they are putting one particular product may they are putting more money and another product may they have completely removed that money. So can I say at a time did Sony do two things? Yes, and this is what I mean by combination strategies. So combination strategy is nothing but a mix of two or more strategy in a given situation. So I have told you how you have to remember this four strategy. Now, first in this video, first we will focus something called stability strategy. Shall we? Tell you, sir. So stable. Now stable मतलब क्या sir? Are you doing anything new or you are trying to continue the position? You are trying to continue the position. So whenever we say company is following stability strategy, we mean company intends to maintain their status. Company intends to maintain their status quo. Now what do you mean by status quo? Status quo is nothing but current position. So whatever is your current position, you have to clear bacha now. So this answer ko I have divided into parts. One, I will explain you meaning of stability strategy. First I will explain you meaning of stability strategy, then I will explain you when company goes for stability strategy, then we will also understand why company adopts this strategy. Clear bacha now. So first let us understand meaning of stability strategy. So what do you mean by stable? Stable matlab kya sir? You are satisfied. Stable matlab kya sir? You are satisfied. Satisfied with what? Current state of affairs. You are satisfied with what? Current state of affairs. Now better do not use such language in it. What you have to write, which words you have to focus, that I will tell you within few minutes, sir. First I explain this in my language so that concept clarity you have. Once you have concept clarity, subsequently है ना, incorporating these words according to ICA language will not take much time. Okay, now so stability strategy, what it is sir? When company will go for stability strategy sir, if they are satisfied with their current state of affairs. Now what do you mean by current state of affairs? Maybe they are satisfied with their existing products, meaning they do not want to add new products to their portfolio. Say for example, I am satisfied with the existing subjects I am teaching. I am more than satisfied with EIS SM for inter and final for what is a corporate law or final. So can I say I am satisfied with my existing services or products? Sometimes companies are satisfied with their existing geography, meaning they wanted to do business in this particular area, they do not want to go further, sir. So companies are satisfied with their current products. If it is a service based industry, current services, current geography, or current customers. In other words, you are satisfied with what you have, then company will go for what sir? Stability strategies. Okay, so I have prepared one PPT which will explain things in point wise manner, sir. So can I say stability, maintaining current position? So let's see. Company is concentrating on maintaining its current market position. That is, they want to offer the same products to same customers and they do not want to introduce any new products. Obviously, they are satisfied with their current product. So in other words, can I say they are satisfied? Satisfied with what? Their current market share. Nothing but what sir? The percentage of customers which they have in the market. We have used such word in BCG metric also. If you remember, relative market share is what the word we have used. There I explained you what is the meaning of market share. Similarly, they are satisfied with their profits, they are satisfied with their geographical expansion, they are satisfied with their products. Then company will go for something called stability strategy. I hope this slide is easy enough to understand. Next. Most of the time, this is a super important question which comes in exam. Okay? If at all they want to create some practical paper kind of things, practical questions if they have to draft, then this could be one of the questions. If company is XYZ company, if it is adopting stability strategy, do you mean is it a do nothing strategy? Do you mean is it a do nothing strategy? Because why such question comes? Because I have already used one language. What? Company wants to maintain their status. Company wants to maintain their current position. So if they have to maintain their current position, that means you mean to say, is it a do nothing strategy? Is stability a do nothing strategy? Answer is okay. Now, why? Let's understand. See, I told company is satisfied with their current customers. Company is satisfied with their current customers. Okay, very good. So, in other words, company do not want to create new customers. Agreed? But don't you think company have to retain their existing customers? That is important. Agreed? Agreed or not, sir? See, I don't want to create new customers, but I have to retain my existing customers. And retaining existing customers, can I say how it is possible? You have to now give them new offers, provide them various beneficial services to them, upscale features you have to give them. Agreed or not, sir? So, in other words, still you are looking for input, either in the form of providing services or in the product, adding new features in the product, sir, and reducing the price of the product, reducing your unnecessary cost, so that cost to customer will also come there, giving better experiences to customer, changing the design of the customer so that customers are always attached to your particular product. Agreed or not? So can I say like this, always they want to retain the customer. So here, are they looking for improvement? Answer is, but is it a drastic improvement they want? Answer is, what improvement they want? They want only incremental improvement. What improvement they want? They want only incremental improvement. So if somebody has to give me one answer, is a stability a do nothing strategy? So what should be my answer? Stability is not a do nothing strategy. Reason, still company looks for incremental improvement. Reason, company have to maintain their current customers, and that is possible by offering new services and giving features, better features in the product to the customers, as you have to develop your answer. Okay, so most of the time this is a very repetitive question which used to come in old syllabus. I do expect this question can also come in your new syllabus also. Okay, so let's see what is the answer we have written. So is it? Answer is no. Here also, sir, sometimes while writing the answers also, you may adopt strategy. Here a question has, what is it, appeared, is stability a do nothing strategy? So there are two ways of writing this answer. Way number one, upfront, you give your conclusion. Okay, so you give your conclusion, no, this is correct, and then you give your justification. Okay, or second approach is you give your justification, last may you give your conclusion. So now you may ask me, sir, which approach is a better approach? I say both approach are a better approach. Now, sometimes we are in a dilemma. मतलब एक particular question has come and we do not know what could be the exact answer. ऐसे situation में I always prefer second way of answering. Reason, meaning you give your total justification and last में you may give your conclusion. But imagine you don't know the exact answer and you go for approach number one. So there itself you have written no. Imagine the answer was yes. So can I say here examiner will never ever read whatever justification you provide. Sometimes maybe your justification is correct, sir. Maybe final concluding answer is not correct. But can I say that is of no use? You have made examiner's life very easy by giving him one pinpoint answer no. Okay, so this is the reason why I felt both ways of writing answer is correct, because you are sure here this point is no, so that's the reason I wrote no. But still at the end of the day I always felt his second approach is always better. First, better you write your justifications etc, and then you give your concluding. Clear, bacha? No. So here, because I have to teach, I am not writing any exam as such, sir. I have to explain you. That's the reason I gave you answer. Is stability a do nothing strategy? Sometimes what they also do in one particular attempt, what I have observed is, now can I say this line is in our mind, stability is not a do nothing strategy. Exam में what they have asked is, stability strategy is not a do nothing strategy. So can I say they did not give you is, they gave you one statement, stability strategy is not a do nothing strategy. So can I say people who have buttified stability strategy is not a do nothing strategy. Stability strategy is do nothing strategy. Can I say here your answer was no? But here the question came what, sir? Stability strategy is not a do nothing strategy. So can I say here they have already written not a do nothing. In other words, company looks for improvement. Right? So here what should have been your answer? Answer is here. Right? So can I say question framing also sometimes happens in, so maybe we are more particular towards this particular question and we were prepared. No. And question में थोड़ा grammar they change sir, and then the answer will change. Okay. So every time ensure that whatever you read, है ना, you understand it properly and then start writing the answers. Okay. So it is not a do nothing strategy. So company following such strategy does not mean that company does not strive for improvement. They do look for incremental instead of drastic improvement. Example could be what, sir? Now these are just random examples which are given, sir. If you are an electronic company, maybe you don't want to create new customer, but can I say after sales services you want to give so that you can retain the customer. So can I say here, are you doing something different? Yes. You are a biscuit manufacturing company. Can I say example, Karachi Bakery in Hyderabad is very famous. In fact, it is very famous worldwide. They started with their fruit biscuit. They started with their fruit biscuit. Now, can I say only fruit biscuits ke saath, if they would have continued, maybe they could not have retained the customer. So they do keep on giving different flavors to their customers, like elaichi wala and etc. So why they are doing this? So that they give better, what you say, features in product to their customers. So biscuit manufacturing company improves its existing technology to have efficient productivity. Now, what do I mean by efficient productivity? Less cost productivity. So in other words, company still strives for adding more features, reducing its product cost, giving better experience to their existing. So hence, what should be the conclusion, sir? Stability strategy is not a do nothing. Do nothing. Do nothing मतलब क्या सर? कुछ भी नहीं करना. Answer is no. Still we look for what, sir? Incremental improvement. Okay. Last question. Which company adopts this? Now tell me, sir, which company would adopt this strategy? One answer I already gave you. Company which is at commandable position, mature position, where further growth is not possible. Example, if market में 1 crore customers are there, all 1 crore customers का need I am satisfied. Can I say here there is no point of going for expansion strategy. Here we have to maintain the current. Agreed? So one answer you have. Which company will go for stability strategy, sir? That company which is at commandable position. Now what do you mean by commandable position, sir? Matlab ekdam rank 1 kind of thing. Or when company may also go for stability strategy, sir, maybe sometimes some company are risk averse. Now what do you mean by risk averse? They don't want to take risk. Okay, example, this is simple. The more you invest in the business, see, the more you expand, two way things are possible. Either you will really nourish, or you may not nourish in that particular business. Either you will make profits or you may make losses. So sometimes companies are very conservative. They are very happy with what they have. They don't want to take risks, even though they are not at commandable positions. Even though they are at what you say growth stage only, they don't want further growth. Can I say that type of company may also go for stability? इसलिए I did say you कि generally stability strategy is adopted by those company which are at stable position. Generally I said, not always. Even if a company which is at growth stage, maybe that company, and if at all they do not want to take further risk, they may go for what, which strategy, sir? So is this company willing to take the risk? Answer is okay. Now the question is why companies are not willing to take the risk? Maybe some companies are very small companies. Small company मतलब छोटा business है ना? They are a small scale business. So small scale business is operated by a person who is having conservative brain. He does not want to invest more. He does not want to take more risks. Agreed? So small businesses it could be, or a businessman is ready to take the risk. But the thing is what, market में situations are not good. Example, Corona stage. So can I say during COVID-19 stage, sir, do you think anybody would be liking to go for expansion strategy? Answer is so. Can I say here also he is having one fear factor. What is the fear factor? There could be a risk. when corona stage is going on and economy has come down, at this particular time if I start a new business, chances are bright I may not succeed. Hence he goes for stability strategy. Great. So which type of company will go for stability strategy, sir? Two types of companies. One who have reached at commandable position, others who are risk averse. Risk averse matlab who are reluctant to take the risk. And who will be reluctant to take the risk? Either they are small business or market conditions are not favorable. Example, pandemic situation just now I have taken. So here companies go for wait and look approach. What do you mean by wait and look approach? ఆగుదాం, మార్కెట్లో ఎలా నడుస్తుంది చూద్దాం, దాని ప్రకారము వి విల్ టేక్ అవర్ స్టెప్. रुकेंगे, मार्केट में क्या सिचुएशन है हम देखेंगे, उसके हिसाब से हम अपना पोजीशन लेंगे. तो कहने से दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन बाय वेट एंड लुक अप्रोच. और सर दे वांट टू एक्सपैंड, बट कहने से पैसा भी तो होना चाहिए दादा, पैसा है ना, मनी इज आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. हियर कंपनी इज नॉट हैविंग. So here you can describe this answer in two ways. One, company which has reached a commendable position. Other, that company which is reluctant to take the risk. And which companies are reluctant to take the risk? Either that company which has no capital or market situation is not favorable to them, or small scale business. Clear, bacha? So this way you can complete your answer. So with this we conclude your stability. And now what you can do? You can now compare this answer in our material. How you have to present the answer? In this way, if you can present full-fledged marks, you are going to score. So first, meaning of stability strategies. So which company is going for stability strategy? Already which have reached commandable position. So company is willing to go or strive in the similar market. They want to focus only on incremental improvement and not heavy improvements. Okay, so that type of companies are going for stability strategy. When you are going for stability strategy, what things you will find in that strategy? So company is always looking for incremental improvement. Company does not redefine their business. Why? Because company is with status quo, current situation. So already business is mature business. So company is following safety oriented strategy. What is safety oriented strategy? Company does not want to take risk. So in this strategy, no fresh capital is required. Why? You are maintaining the current position. So when you are maintaining the current position, an infusion of capital is not required. When infusion of capital is not required, this is what one of the things which you find in stability strategy. See, characteristics of stability strategy. Here, what does it mean? Here, in every stability strategy, you will be finding the stability strategy is taken at that time where company do not want to take the risk. Sir, stability strategy is taken in stable environment. Sir, it is not a do nothing strategy. Why? Still company looks for development, but that is incremental or incremental. So these are some features or these are some points which you will find in stability strategy. Now, major reasons. Now, I already told you that way you can write, no harm at all. In this way you can write, or you want to write in point wise presentation. So first is company has reached a maturity position. Market is stable. Now when market is stable, we also want to be stable. Or company do not want to take risk, or expansion if they do, it will be threatening. Example, what is a pandemic situation, or a company is looking for consolidation. What do you mean by consolidation? Already they are having business in multiple areas. Now they are not able to manage all those, and hence company wants to bring it down, sir. So can I say as a situation when first thing what company will not do is open business in new areas. Okay. So this was one simple answer called stability strategy. So I hope you liked this particular video. So I will be putting this on YouTube channel also. So if at all your friends are there, you can refer, and people who are watching in YouTube, sir, please provide your valuable. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते. Thank you very much.